like that? Oh my goodness. Oh, please, okay? You gotta go to work on Myra's feet. Oh, yeah. Oh.
We're improvising here, so I have a mop bucket. I filled it up with some hot water, and I'm gonna use my Pure Castile soap. Of course, you're gonna start by removing any nail polish that you may already have on. If you have gel polish on, you're gonna have to soak it in acetone. I'm using items that I have around the house, so I'm just gonna put some of my Dove body wash onto this pumice stone, and we're just gonna scrape away all that dead skin, that dry skin. It's about to be gone. Y'all see, I'm really getting in there. I'm getting all the spots. Of course, you're going to repeat this step on your other foot. Then I'm going to take this wooden stick, I believe it's called an orange stick, and I'm going to use this just to clean off my cuticles, clean up anything that may be under my toenails. I know this looks so gross, but it's better to get it out than to just leave it in there, so make sure you do this step. It's so important. Also, make sure you're being very careful with this because this little stick is super sharp. You do not want to poke yourself. Quarantine has me getting so personal with y'all. Like, I showed y'all my dirty room, now I'm showing y'all my feet. Like, it doesn't get any more personal than this. To go a step further and give myself a spa pedicure, so I'm doing a Aztec Clay Mask on my feet. Clearly I had too much water, so the consistency is runny, but you know, make the consistency however you would like it. You can most definitely clip your toenails after you first soak your feet, but I just decided to do mine later on. I got this nail lamp off of Amazon. I'll link it in the description box. I also got this gel polish set off of Amazon. It doesn't come with a top and a base coat, so you will need to purchase that separately. You're going to start off with your base coat, and you're going to cure that in your LED or your UV lamp for about 60 seconds. that's cured, you're going to take your actual polish, whatever color you're using, and you're going to go ahead and do 2 coats. Typically you would do 2 coats, but if you feel like you need more, you can go ahead and do 3 or whatever is to your liking, but typically you're just going to do 2. Guys, I just sat there in disbelief for a couple of seconds because I couldn't believe that I had just did that, but it's okay, it was an easy fix. Once you've cured your second coat for 60 seconds, you're gonna go in with your top coat and then cure that for 60 seconds. I have some rubbing alcohol in that little container, and I put some cotton on the end of the orange stick and I dipped it into the alcohol, and I'm just using that to clean up around my toe to make everything nice and neat, get off any polish that got onto my skin. And there you have it. You have your own spa gel pedi at home. When I tell y'all this is the best pedicure I've ever had, my toenails were shaped the way that I like them. My feet were soft. Immaculate.